it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So this haul, I got the My Monthly Hero Kit with some add-ons. Everything is Halloween or fall except for one thing. So let me start off with the kit first, and this is so adorable. This is one of their Heroscapes was the kit, and I don't have any of them, but I bought a couple in addition to this because I thought it was a great way to make an easy background, and you can do a lot. You can change it up with different colors and get completely different images. So this is the kit's one. It's a pumpkin patch, and then you have the scarecrow, and this is rows of corn. I've seen so many different ideas. I Googled it the other day, and I saw so many different things. So I'm very excited to use this. And it comes with a 3x4 stamp set, and then the coordinating dies for some of the images. There's that, and then it also comes, so it comes with a 6x8 Heroscape clear set, a 3x4 message set, coordinating frame dies, 5 ink cubes, and 2 each of, it's 5.5 by 8.5 glitter sheets in orange, bronze, and copper. So here are the 5 ink cubes, and then the paper. Super excited about using this. Okay, and then I got, these are actually got 3 add-ons from this release. And this one is the Wheelbarrow Friends, which is so cute. Look at that little scarecrow. This is Wheelbarrow Friends. And then I also got Color Layering Moonlit Night. And I thought this was really cool because this doesn't have to just be for Halloween. You do like a creepy moon scene. It doesn't have to be Halloween. And it says, "You're wicked cool, hello there, and you liven up the night." Very cute. Or spooky, you can make it spooky. And then this is the add-on, the Heroscapes add-on. And this one is the Graveyard Heroscape. So look at all of these things that you can do. You can add these to the other Heroscape. And I'm gonna show you on the back what they recommend, or the sample they gave. And then here is, and they tell you this plus this plus this will give you that. So I like that. I like that they show you how to layer the things together. So you can use these with other sets, or you can use that grass to create a scene that has nothing to do with Halloween. So that's the great part about it. I like that you can have multi-purposes for the stamps. And the last one that I got, and this is the end of the order, it was a very small haul, Heroscapes. This one is the Beach Heroscapes. So obviously nothing that I can use right at this moment because, well, although today was a beautiful day at the beach. My sister was down there, and I saw a couple other people were down there posting pictures, and it looked like an absolutely perfect beach day. It's still nice weather up here, should have gone down to the beach, but instead I participated in World Card Making Day and made some cards. This will go up Saturday night, and Sunday is my day to post for the Halloween card series, so you'll see a video for that. I worked on that today, and I'm also going to work on a Christmas card. But let me show you before I get too sidetracked. This is the Beach Heroscapes. So many different pieces, and again, these don't have to go on the beachscape, but there's the example. And then it shows this plus this gives you this, and then all the rocks down there, that will all give you that. So shows you what each piece does, and I like that, the layering pieces, it gives you like kind of like a guide. So that's it for me. It was a very short haul today. I am waiting on a Kindred Stamps order that probably won't be here for another week or so. So the videos will just be content. I will be making a Christmas card. My Christmas cards usually go up on Fridays, and then during the week sometimes I try to do a bonus one because when I started the series there was only 17 Fridays until Christmas, and which means that if I was doing 25 cards I have to do more than one a week some weeks. So I'm working on that. We're going to work on a Christmas card, and then I'm trying to get a little bit of ahead of the Halloween cards and try to work on some of them too, or at least some sketches for things. So thank you guys so much for watching this super short haul video. I will be back soon with more videos. Bye!